Hey, it's Jeremy here. In this video, I want to be showing you 8 case studies that you can use for inspiration and to follow along with these great studios because the design is awesome and you can learn something from that. So let's jump into it. The first one is from Pentagram. Pentagram is one of my favorite studios. They're an American-based company and they've got a really great case study called Katera. They need a brand identity for a technology-driven construction company that's transforming the industry. So you can see here, straight off the bat, they've got this nice GIF, a really lovely, nice logo with white space and a nice outlines there. You can see the typography looking really, really cool. And as we scroll through, you can see some of the inspiration, how they came up with the mark, you know, talking about buildings and the texture and landscapes. I just feel like they did a really good job. Clear mock-up, really nice picture. And it looks great on the wood there. Some workspace stuff. Some navigation and then t-shirts. And you go to the studio there. Construction, manufacturing. You can play a video. So we can see this. Beautiful. So very professional. Nice icons, nice animations. Overall, really nice job with that. And that's gonna jump down. Got some icons here. So Pentagram really do a great job with their design. They do the right design and they achieve the goals. It looks professional. You know, they hit the mark with the messaging all the time. And they have a great case study. So Katera is a great case study and it looks really, really good. Next one is from Red Antler. This is another great studio as well. This one was a cool case study. I checked it out. It's called Judy. It's for like a safety package where, you know, people can use it for natural disasters and things like that. So you can see this is what they did for the project. You can see the logo here. You got a bit of a thick, juicy logo, clean, and some nice little animation there. Family with a plan is a family that can. I think that's a really nice tagline. And then you got some illustration mixed with clean, mock-up of the product itself. 3D rendering here. So you can see how it's used. That's a really solid way of showing what's inside the product. And then overall, the imagery looks really interesting as well. Adding a quote from Forbes, that's good for social proof. But I overall like what they did, especially with like these stickers and these like worksheet template things. I think that's really awesome. So they can stick it, you know, in their fridge or in their living room, easy to access. And this looks really, really nice. But overall, I think this is an amazing case study as well. And they've got other cool work. You can see how they lay it all out there. So that's from Red Antler, really awesome. Next one is DesignStudio. We create brands the world loves. They have a lot of cool designs on here. If I go to work, they have plenty of legendary brands here, even Premier League, which is cool, and even Logitech. I like Logitech. They're a great tech brand. I use their mouse and their keyboards. They're just really, really cool. Making technology more human. So you can see here, off the bat, I'm seeing some nice bright colors, 3D rendering. And I just love the whole design of Logitech. It's very simple. They always focus on usability. So we can see this and how they're transforming with the imagery. Oh, and I like how it's got a horizontal slider. That's nice. So we can see some new, webcam thing, product, the process. So they're showing sort of ideation, workshop, how they're creating, the logos and etc. This is interesting as well. Human movement. You can see some of their mood board and their ideation process. So the new name Logi is friendly and human. It shows bold, committed change. So they're really simplifying, really getting to the nuts and bolts of everything and simplifying it down. So I really love this. I think it's an amazing case study. I think that's super cool. Another one from DesignStudio as well is Treat Well. Beauty of self-expression. So another simple one as well. So you can see doing some messaging. They have a nice video here. And just gonna scroll through quickly. You can see some typography, some web layouts, some branding with the imagery on this banner. And I think that's really cool. Instrument.com is another cool studio as well. And this product is called Quibby. And I think it's really, really nice. It's about a content platform. And they got a really cool video as well. Just really cool music. Got some nice layouts and design. Just overall has a cool vibe to it, and it does go through there. And so this is a great case study. You can see some of their mock-ups, a lot of dynamic movement. You can see some of the strategy thinking, the mock-ups, how things will be laid out, you know, over social media, and showing the results. And this was specifically for the Super Bowl, and you can see it made a big impact there. Next one is from Saffron. Saffron is another design-based studio, and I think I love this type of stuff they do. They're obviously around the world, but I'm gonna go back. This one is a really cool case study it's called Hyperloop, and it's about a train, which is really awesome. So you can see here the design. I think it looks superb. Looks really, really nice. And you can see Hyperloop is transportation technologies with a clear goal. Love the mock-ups. I don't know if you've heard of the bullet train in Japan, so sort of along those lines. You can see they're using this motif of this like line, this track, and then using this bold red color. I actually love this color palette. I think it's really nice. Logo, and then showing it in action, in movement, how it's creating sort of this track, breaking down the grid there. The imagery, the typography, icons, and you can see here using some grid system. I think that's really awesome. Super clean design. Love these sort of badge logos and these icons here. Makes it really, really interesting. Building faith and credibility. Love these mock-ups. They look really, really awesome. And then that's some more imagery down here. In Abu Dhabi in minutes. Love that. Yeah, really cool design, really clean. They did really well. So this is a great example of how you should do a case study, obviously with good mock-ups, messaging and layouts and animation all mixed together. Works really, really well. And then last but not least is Olins. These guys have worked with big names, one of them being Google. So if I go through here, you can see that it does some stuff from Google. So you can see some icons here. They released a new product, wearable technology and stuff, Wear OS by Google. So you can see this design, how it moves with motion in the ecosystem. You can see here in Google as well. That's awesome. A lot of animation. And that's pretty much that. It's a short one, but I think it's really, really cool. Thanks so much, guys, for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed these case studies and these design studios. If you're looking for inspiration, really check these studios out. Study how they do their case studies, and it's going to really transform your business and how you present your design. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more dope design content every week, and I'll catch you in the next video.